the new stopper here, and as you can see, it holds the water good. And then you push, it's just a tap button. And it drains down nicely. And that's secure. Perfect. All right, so you got a new one of those. Pull the, let me see. All right, so we pulled the old sink out, and let me see here. Just a little light on that. Okay, there we are. So this was all pretty much damaged and junk. So we went ahead and we're gonna pull that old one. There was like big hair clogs in there too. So we're just gonna take all that out. I'm gonna pop in this new one. So that's the plan here. Okay. So let's go ahead and put this one in now. All right, so we got a new stopper in here. You can see it works real nice. If you want to fill it up, you can just push it. Boom. That holds it. And no leaks, as you can see. That's the new plumbing. Let it go. Run it. Check for leaks. Perfect. No leaks at all. Just like it should be. Perfect. All right, that's it. So we got the new stopper there, new stopper over here. We're good to go. We got 2 new stoppers in there. All right. All right, so we're just now setting up the handles and knobs to be put into the cabinets. So I'm getting ready to install those in. Also getting ready to install in all the blinds. So we just got them kind of lined up here at the windows. Just show that I'm getting ready to start those. So boom. Doesn't seem, I don't really got much light in here, do they? Wow. There ain't no lights in any of these, huh? Yeah. I'll be working later on because it's too dark. All right, so we're just gonna go over how to do a blind real quick. All right, so you're gonna need a drill bit. Basically the size of the screws that the hardware comes in. So we'll look at that now. Just kind of show you how it goes. Okay, so basically you see you want the drill bit to be slightly smaller than the screw. That way it doesn't fall out. But enough where you can get the drive through, you know. You want it to come up to, say, you know, like that. You want this to come a little deeper than that, just slightly. Okay, now when you're looking at your mounts, the smaller piece here, right here, is what goes top. That's the bottom tab there. So what we do, first step to do here is, well, the first thing you want to do is just get this measured up. You know, I already did the mark already, so you'll see the mark there. And you just kind of get it centered up on the window. Okay, and then just mark on each side. So that's what I did, mark there, mark there. All right, so the next step then is we're gonna take our marker again, we're gonna take this, we're gonna mark. Okay, we're gonna line up with this line right here. See the line? Just kind of get right on there. And then we're gonna push it against like this. And then we're gonna mark hole we're gonna drill a hole. We're gonna drill one side, like so. And come over here, do the same thing again, line it up with the line. Line it up, get it square, push it against. And then we're gonna just put your marks. Okay. And your mark. Okay, boom, just like that. See that? That's gonna be the marks. All right. And we're gonna take a drill bit, get it in there, okay? And then we're gonna just make them holes. Right on that dot. Right on the dot. Oh. Okay, now that drill bit's gonna be real hot, so it's best to pop it, let it drop so it can cool down. Otherwise you're gonna burn your finger, pop him back in, Phillips. And then you're gonna take your first screw, your first bracket. All right, and we're just gonna screw him on in. Get him up into where that first hole was, like so. Yep, then just get him up in there, like so. Make sure it's back where it was. Just like that until basically your impact drill clicks. Boom, that's it. It's tight. Yep, and basically same thing again. Just make sure it's not twisted or nothing. If it is, you can just move it a little bit. All right. And put your other screw in. Drop them up, boom. Okay, same thing on the other side. Okay. Get them up in there. Okay, get them in place, drill them up. Okay, that's it. All right, then the next point is, when you're putting these on, you want to get this part right here onto this. So you want to put them on first, like that, and then just click down, like that. See, watch. Okay, sometimes they fall out, so just try it again if it does, until it's in there, like that. Oh, that's real firm, see that? All right, and just pull it on down, and then we take our little hook, and we're gonna just pop him through that little eye right there. Just push that hook in, get it in there. Go ahead and turn it to, you're gonna basically turn it where it's, you know, clockwise basically. And there it is. That's how you do a blind. Very simple. And so looking around, see, we got all the blinds here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then of course we have the handles that we did earlier. Okay. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 handles right there. Nice.